Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to pair your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones with both PS5 and PS4 consoles, pairing Sony WH-1000XM6 with PS5. Note: PS5 doesn't natively support Bluetooth audio for most headphones, including the WH-1000XM6. You will need a Bluetooth adapter or use a wired connection. Option 1. Using Bluetooth adapter. Recommended. Get a compatible Bluetooth USB dongle that supports audio for PS5, like Avantree Leaf, Creative BTW3, etc. Plug the Bluetooth dongle into the PS5 USB port. Put your WH-1000XM6 in pairing mode. Hold the power button for about 7 seconds until the indicator flashes blue and red. Follow the Bluetooth adapter's instructions to pair it with your headphones. Once paired, PS5 audio will transmit to your WH-1000XM6 wirelessly. Option 2. Using wired connection. Use the 3.5mm audio cable included with the headphones. Connect one end to the headphone jack on the WH-1000XM6. Connect the other end to the DualSense controller's headphone jack. Adjust PS5 audio settings. Go to Settings greater than Sound, greater than Audio Output. Set Output Device to Headphones Controller. Enable Output to Headphones greater than All Audio. Pairing Sony WH-1000XM6 with PS4. PS4 also doesn't support direct Bluetooth pairing for most headphones, but similar solutions apply. Option 1. Using Bluetooth adapter plug a Bluetooth audio transmitter into your PS4 or controller. Put your WH-1000XM6 in pairing mode. Hold power button tilde 7 seconds. Pair headphones with the adapter following its instructions. Audio should now play wirelessly. Option 2. Using wired connection. Connect the included 3.5mm cable from the headphones to the PS4 controller headphone jack. On the PS4, go to Settings greater than Devices greater than Audio Devices. Set Output Device to Headphones connected to controller. Set Output to Headphones to All Audio. Bonus tips: the WH-1000XM6 supports LDAC codec, but PS consoles don't utilize this codec. Using a wired connection generally offers the least latency for gaming. Bluetooth adapters designed for gaming usually have low latency to minimize audio lag. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and tech tutorials.